Hi, today we're going to look at how we create an online meeting in Neighbors by Vinteum. So I'm logged in as a master administrator and I'm going to go down the menu here all the way to meeting. I'm going to select meeting and you can see that I've had some meetings in the past that are either finalized or still open. To create a new one, I'm going to click on the green plus button. I'm going to include the meeting title, so it's an AGM. I choose the type of meeting, so it's an annual general meeting. The meeting location, so in this case it's going to be online. The date, which is today, and it's going to be at 11. Is it in person? I select no, and that way I can say that it is an online meeting, so yes. You get this message here about Safari, and that is because the Safari browser does not accept the meeting software that we used. So to use it on Safari, you would need to share the link with your residents, or they can join through the Neighbors by Vinteum app as well, which works on iOS and Android. I'm going to include my agenda here, so you can include everything that's on the agenda. After the meeting, you can go back and edit to add the meeting to the meeting minutes. And then you can also create a poll. So if you're going to do an online informal vote, you can do that. So yes. Can residents change vote? I'm going to select no. Everyone can vote, but they cannot see the results before they're finalized. I'm going to add a new poll here, and you have to select the topic. So pets by the pool. And the question is, should we allow pets by the pool? What kind of a question is it? So mine is going to be single reply, so yes or no. And then yes. And no. So I put that in. I can add alternative answers. I can create a new question and I can attach documents as well. I'm going to go ahead and save that. And so you can go back, you can check everything, because once you click on publish, you can no longer edit. So I'm going to confirm that. And your meeting is all ready. 2 hours before your meeting begins, you'll see this button called Start Online Meeting. I'm going to click on it. Once you click, this is where the administrator will start the meeting. So master administrator has got to start the meeting. You can allow it to use your camera and phone and headphone, and that if you have to accept that so you'll be able to talk. Click on join, and you'll be in the meeting. You get a message telling you that the meeting is being recorded. That way, this will appear for both residents and for board members, managers, everyone who joins. So got it. You have to accept. And you can see here. If you switch your camera on, you'll appear here. The Vinteum help button is still available, so if you click on that, you'll still be able to talk to a member of our team. You can check the security settings, so you can lock the meeting so no one can come in. You can enable waiting rooms, so it's you that allow participants to join rather than them just coming in. You can allow participants to share their screen, chat, rename themselves, unmute themselves, and start their video. So if you'd like a more controlled meeting, you can adjust some of these settings or not. You can see who's joined and participants, and at the end, you'll receive a report of who joined your meeting. You can click on share screen to share your screen. You can chat. You can raise your hand if you have a question. And then in settings, you can check your video, audio, background, and statistic settings. You can also stop videos. And then if you click on this little green shield button, you can see the name of the meeting and your participant ID. All right. That is how you set up and start an online meeting. I'm going to end the meeting here. end meeting for everybody. So the meeting has been disconnected and it's ended now, and you're back in Neighbors by Vinteum. If we go back to the original meeting page, by each meeting you allow people to start their vote. So to launch the poll, that's where you do it. You can still edit the meeting, you can still view it, you can close it, or you could delete it. So if I click on view here, I can see all the information. I can see who is invited. So once you create a meeting, everyone in your community is invited. Who voted, the participation in the vote, so we didn't do that. And if I click on print, you can download the reports of everyone who came. All right. And then by votes here, you can see the results of who has voted. And that's how online meetings work in Neighbors by Vinteum. It's a really powerful tool that will really help you to increase quorum, allow people to participate online, and get their say in their community meeting. Thank you for watching. Bye.